Hello, full stack web developer, and welcome to Coding for All, the one-stop channel to become a full stack web developer with practical applications and free resources. So, in the last video, we did extensive coding and learned many new skills. So, I would strongly recommend you, just in case if you missed that out, please go to that video first and get back to this one so that we can learn step by step and equally. So now, before we begin on GitBash that how to install and how to utilize that, I would strongly recommend you to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join us on this coding journey together, so we can learn and grow together as developers. And the first thing is that you are going to do is you will go to the navigate bar to Git, and for Windows you'll go to git for windows.org. Let me show you how it looks like. The Git SCM once you'll click here to download, and obviously it will take some time. It will tell you the location, and on the next step it asks you that which component should be selected. Let me show you that which component you should select, and then just proceed with next and do nothing else. Don't change any default settings. Now just click here and see which component should be installed. It's going to take some time, and then it will appear right in front of you. Yes. Okay, so next, so it should be selected. Open GitBash here, and what you are getting with it, everything is good. Okay, next. So this is supposed to be in default setting, so there's nothing that you can do except for clicking on next. And there you go, then it will install, and later on we will see, once it's done, we'll see that if it works or not, and if it is there or not. And for that we will go to VS Code that I'm going to show you next. Installation is done. Let's make sure it works. So we are going to open VS Code. Anything is there already. Maximize it. There. We're going to create a new terminal over there. So we'll go to terminal, new terminal. On this drop down menu, so the GitBash is written there. We'll simply click, and should show us the $sign. So, but in order to configure VS Code to make GitBash your default shell, we have to go to the command palette, and we'll find that by going to View, Command Palette. Now here we have to go to command palette. We can find by going to View, Command Palette, and then in command palette we are going to search for Select Default Profile. That is right in front of you. Click that, and once that comes up in the drop down, select it and then select GitBash. There it is. And this is going to set it so that every time you open up a new terminal, we are working with GitBash as selected terminal. So let's try it out. Yes. So why don't we now just go to a new terminal and see it is already there. This $sign means that the GitBash is there. And so that is something that I wanted to show you in this lecture. And the next we will proceed. We're going to learn what is command line is all about, what bash is all about, and why it is useful. So for that we'll catch up next time. Until then, just take care, take good care of yourself, practice all the concepts, and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share with your colleagues. See you soon. We see you very soon. Until then, good luck and bye. Full stack web developer.